Hi kids!
How are you?
Have you ever had a school project? Do you remember how from a two-word phrase you managed to find information and images? Through the information and images, then you created the whole project on a scrapbook or a paperboard. Thus, now the two-word title has a whole new meaning.
Jesus uses the same dynamic to explain and compare the kingdom of God to a mustard seed. Jesus teaches us that although the mustard seed is very small, when planted in the soil, it grows to be the greatest of all vegetables, and the birds build their nests in its strong branches.
Today's prayer space is I am a seed, and the equipment needed is 5 different seeds. They don't have to be mustard seeds. Pencil or pen, a template of a bird's nest, and glue.
Take the 5 seeds in your hands, and while you give them a glance, think of 5 positive characteristics or talents you have. And touch these seeds onto your bird template. And write the 5 positive characteristics or talents you have. Spare a small prayer to God, asking Him to give you strength to do your best,
Help others benefit from your characteristics and talents.
Bye kids!
Thank you for watching.
Have a great day!